Engineered to set new standards in performance, the ProLift tablet elevator by Prodieco transforms tablet handling in pharmaceutical packaging. Built with precision, efficiency, and operator safety in mind, it's the ultimate solution for elevating your production standards. The ProLift simplifies hopper loading with its intuitive, ergonomic design, allowing tablets to be effortlessly loaded at waist height. By eliminating dangerous manual lifting, it enhances operator safety while ensuring a seamless product flow. Intelligent level sensors and an automated tipping mechanism keep operations perfectly synchronized with blister machines, maximizing efficiency and minimizing downtime. With just 5 product contact parts, the ProLift allows for rapid cleaning and easy reassembly without the need for tools. Its compact mobile design on casters ensures flexibility, while its adjustable feed rate adapts to a variety of products, ensuring seamless integration with any packaging line. Built to the highest quality standards, the ProLift embodies Prodieco's commitment to engineering excellence and GMP. CE certified and designed for safety, reliability, and ease of use, it incorporates advanced features that reflect Prodieco's dedication to quality without compromise. Experience the ProLift difference. Boost productivity, streamline processes, and ensure safety in your operations. ProLift by Prodieco, your trusted leader in pharmaceutical engineering. Contact us today to elevate your production.